Good evening, welcome to Online Watch. Today we are going to explain about the problems based on time and distance. In the last previous classes we already discussed, right? These are the specific models and these are the problems. See here, what are the problems here? First of all, see the chart. Same direction means minus relative speed. Opposite direction means plus. Same means, I'm already told in the last class, if one person is moving from A to B and another person also moving from A to B, that is called minus, same direction. And next one is, if a person is moving from B to A, another person also moving from B to A, that is called same direction. If two persons are like this, same, two persons are this like this, it is also same. If one person is A to B and another person is B to A, that is called opposite direction. Here late and late, here one more concept is there. It is important concept in the competitive exams as well as the campus drives. If you are preparing for the campus drives, these problems are helpful to crack the exam. Here see the chart, late and late, early and early, late and early, early and late. What it meant by late and late? If you are moving with a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, if you reach your destination in on time, if you takes 20 kilometers per hour, it will takes late. That means when your speed is increases, the time will be reduces. I'm already told in the previous classes, speed is inversely proportional to time. That means if your speed is increases, the time will be decreases. Okay, see this first one is late and late. If two speeds having the two lates, that means one speed 35 km per hour, it will takes late, and second thing 20 km per hour, it will takes late. That means here the relative speed is minus. Here second one, early and early, 20 kilometers per hour, it will takes you early, 10 kilometers per hour, it will takes you early. That means minus. I'm already told late and late, early and early, minus minus, late and early, early and late, plus in this both situations. Okay, going to the problem. See this. Pawan is traveling home to college with a speed of 60 km per hour. He will take 35 minutes late. Once I am repeating again, Pawan takes home to college. That means he is going to home to college with a speed of 60 km per hour. It will take 35 minutes late. Here, if he goes 75 km per hour, he will late by 5 minutes. Okay. Then find the difference between home and college. Here what is the task here? Distance. Finding the distance is the task. That means we have the two speeds here. First speed is 60 kilometers per hour and second one is 75 kilometers per hour. That means if 60 kilometers per hour, it will take 35 minutes late. If 75 kilometers per hour, it will take 5 minutes late. That means distance equal to 75 into 60 by difference of speed. First thing is multiply of speeds. 75 into 60 is the multiplication of speeds. And second thing is minus of speeds. 75 minus 60 how much? 15 into 35 minus 5. I'm already told late and late. If your concept is contained or based on late and late, take the minus symbol here. Okay, take minus 35 minus 5 by 60. Why 60? Minutes. For every minute 60 seconds, for every hour 60 minutes. That's why time is equivalent to 60. Okay, by 60. By the calculation of this problem, we will get the 150 kilometers is the distance. So the distance between home and college is 150 kilometers. Pawan is traveling with 60 km per hour. He will take this much of late. If he travels 75 km per hour, he will take 5 minutes of late. So finding the distance is very simple when we get two speeds with two lates. Okay, going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Varun is going to home to office. Okay, what I am saying is Varun is going home to office with a speed of 120 km per hour. He will take 15 minutes early. If he travels more than his actual speed, he will take 15 minutes early. Okay, that means he is going 15 minutes before the actual time. Okay, Next, second thing, he is going by 80 km per hour, he will take 20 minutes late. Okay, then find the distance here. Here 2 lates, here one early and one late. I'm already told in the chart, if 2 earlys minus, if 2 lates minus 1 late and 1 early plus 1 early and 1 late plus. Okay, simple definition. And going to the problem, here see this, 120 km per hour 15 minutes early, and next thing is 80 km per hour 20 minutes early. So distance equal to 120 into 80. That means multiplication of speeds by subtraction of speeds into time. See here, 120 into 80 by 120 minus 80 how much? 40 into 20 plus 15. Why 15? Why plus here? See the chart. Early and late. Different, right? We want to add it. So 35 by 60. On the simplification of this, we will get the 140 kilometers is the answer. So like this, you have to do many other problems. Okay. If you try to remember the chart, you will definitely crack this type of questions very easily. Okay. These problems are majorly useful for the who are preparing competitive exams as well as the campus drives. Okay. Going to the next question. See this. This is the pole, right? A pole is height of 1000 meters. Okay. A monkey is climbing. First climb it will take 160 meters height. That means this is the baseline. Okay. If a monkey is climbing, it will climb up to 160 meters, and after that it will decreases 40 meters. What I am saying is, if a monkey is climbing, it will increases 160 meters and it will drag to 40 meters. That means 160 up and 40 down. How much? 160 minus 40, 120 meters. Here 1 minute 160 climbing and another minute downing 40 meters. Here 2 minutes, 1 minute plus 1 minute. How much? 2 minutes equal to, here the climbing height 120 meters. So it already climbed the 160 meters. So what is the pole of the height? What is the height of the pole? It is 1000 meters. Already 160 is completed, right? Remaining 840. What he is asking that remaining 850 meters, what is the time taken to climb the monkey? Here see this. 2 minutes equal to 120. How many minutes equal to 840? 840 means height in meters. So 840 by 120 into 2. 127 7 2 14 minutes. Okay, 14 minutes it will climbs how much distance? How much meters? 840 meters. Okay. What is the total meters of the pole? 1000 meters. Remaining, already it is the 1 minute, right? 1 minute of height. 1 minute plus 14 minute. How much? 15 minutes. For monkey takes 15 minutes to climb the total pole. That means from ground to top of the pole. Okay, these are the problems are very, very important for the competitive exams as well as the other exams too. So be focused on it. I am going to tell in the next class various problems belongs on time and distance. This is Sai Gopal signing off today. Bye.